Once you've finished assembling your robotic arm to this point, next you will want to grab two syringes, just like this, a large and a small, and then two of your tombstone pieces. And I'll show you what you'll be doing with those next. You're also going to need a couple popsicle sticks. Your number 10s for the large, and your number 12s for the small. Start with the easy one first. So you're going to take the small syringe and your number 12 tongue depressors. And what you're going to do is you're going to hot glue them on the sides. Just like that. So it'll look like this. This is what we're looking for to have, okay? Now, same thing, we use hot glue. We don't need to use a ton of hot glue, just enough so that it sticks. That nozzle I like to put in between. So I have it sitting like this. Just like that. That's what we've got. Now we'll do the same thing again to the other 12, but same thing, we want to make sure that our holes line up. So push and twist. So that looks pretty good. So what I can do is just kind of move this out of the way, put more hot glue on. Slide it back into position and close it up. Perfect. Now I want to take the small tombstone piece and I'm going to hot glue it on the end here. Now if you find ones that have a ton of hot glue, you might want to kind of scrape some of that off. Like this one's not too bad. It doesn't matter which position you put it on, this way or this way, because we can always twist this around as needed. So put some hot glue on. Push and hold. And that's it. Remember, this is the small syringe with our number 12s. Next, we take our number 10 tongue depressors and our large syringe. Now, if we place them like that, our robotic arm's not going to work. You have to put it on an angle, kind of like that. What I like to do, so you open this up a little bit, and one of these ribs we line up with the edge right here. Now, same thing, we can twist these around, so however you want to put it. But if I can line this up with that edge, or thereabouts, that'll give us a pretty good angle just about every single time. Once again, we got to hot glue this thing on, so we'll put a bunch of hot glue right here, and we'll place it just like that. The other thing is we got to make sure that this stays relatively straight, so it's not laying flat, and that's where we'll put the other one in place to make sure everything stays nice and straight. Put hot glue on. Relatively straight for the most part. Take our wooden dowel, same thing, everything lines up pretty good. Straighten that out a bit. And then we'll hot glue this on. Just like that. Everything's nice and straight, lined up, everything's hot glued together. Like I said, it'll take a minute or two for that hot glue to finally cool off. Alright, next we want to glue on our tombstone piece to our large syringe with our number 10s. Just like we had done before. Glue it on just like that.